The Meghalaya government has begun relocating hawkers from the bustling Khandailat area in Shillong. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh announced that a new vending zone will be established from Quinton Road to Umsosun, focusing on accommodating around 200 hawkers within the same vicinity. This initiative is led by the Urban Affairs and Tourism Departments. The Shillong Municipal Board's CEO has been involved in the process, ensuring that each vendor is allocated a space suitable for their specific trade, aimed at creating a hawker-free zone for pedestrian use. Although the relocation process has started, it has been delayed beyond the original August 15 target due to the need for precise trade-specific space allocations.
Vending zone, no, at the moment, our main focus is Khandailat, where there is roughly around 200 such hawkers, and these will be accommodated within Khandailat itself. The vending zones have been identified.
The Meghalaya government will announce a new chairperson